everybody, it's Nikki here and we are here for another Mani and Lola box. So this is a nail polish subscription box here from here in the UK. It costs approximately £22.95 a month on a rolling 1 month subscription. You can of course get it cheaper if you go for the 3, the 6 or the 9 or the 12-month subscription. I might have got that wrong. 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, I believe it is. But yeah, so let's get into it. So of course every month we get a card telling us what we've got, and then inside we have nail polishes and some nail products. So let's get on to the first product this month, which is a nail care product. This is Essie Back to Bright Nail Cleanser with citric acid and glycerin. So it's like that. And it's just like a spray bottle. And it says recommended retail price for this is £18.95. It has 4 floral ounces or 118 ml in here. That's an awful lot of money for a nail cleanser. Get ready for truly radiant nails with this quick and effective brightening spray formula by Essie. With the added benefits of citric acid and glycerin, you can cleanse and refresh your natural nails, ready for a totally flawless manicure. Hold the bottle 4 to 6 inches away from your nails and spray 1 to 3 pumps over each hand, making sure you provide an even coverage. Wipe the solution away and simply watch them glow. So rather than get this everywhere, what I did was I actually got a cotton pad, sprayed the cotton pad and then wiped my nails, just because I don't want this going all over my desk. It smells nice. It does smell nice. Yeah, it does smell nice. I've got a incense burner at the moment, so that's all I can smell is satsumas, because that's the oil that I've got in my oil burner at the moment. Brightening system. I have like brightening nail polishes from Essie. I've got like nail brightener nail polishes. I have one that's actually almost finished actually, from this is from Essence, and this is a Pro White Active Whitening Treatment. This has lemon extract in it, and this is about £1.60. So not sure I would pay £18.95 for this spray, but you know, I have it now, so I will use it. The first of the nail polishes is a Zoya, and it is this colour, which is a beautiful like pastel orange. Can we have pastel orange? This is Zoya, so it's a Zoya, but its name is Sawyer, S-A-W-Y-E-R. Recommended retail price for this is £11.70. Vivid, bold and intensely glossy, Zoya's Sawyer from the Hip Wonderlust collection is certain to catch your eye with its vibrant orange hue. Wonderlust, I'm sure that's a recent, either this year or last year's collection. I'll have to check that. Enjoy a nail polish that offers rich and high quality pigment with long lasting staying power. All Zoya nail polishes are proudly vegan free, vegan friendly, Big 10 free and dry with an impressive lustrous shine. So I am really happy to get this because it's not pink or purple. It is a beautiful, stunning colour. The brushes on these aren't that great. But they're not the best brushes because they're kind of small and kind of thin. But what I have found is these are great for like detailing. So if I'm wanting to do like a French tip or something like that, These are really great to use for that, because that fine brush then allows me to do nicer details. So yeah, I'm finding ways around that small brush. And if we're looking at it on the swatch wheel, it is here. So as you can see, it is a vibrant, like, orange, but it's not like a bright orange. It's just more like a pastel-y orange, if pastel orange is a thing. The next nail polish I have, give that a bit of shake, is this. The next polish I have is this Essie, and it is a beautiful, like, royal blue, and this shade is called All the Wave. Recommended retail price £10.95, although I have seen these cheaper than that. Sail away with dreams of spring and warmer days in Essie's best-selling shade All the Wave. This saturated indigo blue is easily applied in just a few simple sweeps to provide a confident finish of brilliant blue. This gorgeous polish is high quality, long lasting, and ideal for a statement spring manicure look. Now, I own just 4 Essie polishes, and I was quite shocked when I opened up this polish and found this tiny little brush. I mean, if I'm complaining about Zoya's brush, this is a hell of a lot tinier compared to the Zoya brush. So I believe, however, that Essie have changed their brushes recently, so this must be older stock, because I believe that Essie have now put a wider, flatter brush into their polishes. So this must be from an old collection, not a recent collection. So it's a pain in the butt, but you know, it is what it is. So that is that one. Now the next polish is one that we got a sneaky peek from, and oh my god, I have wanted a polish from this company, this brand, for a long time. It is an A England nail polish. Look at that, and it is a silver holographic. Oh, I forgot to show you, getting ahead of myself, the blue Essie is there. That's the blue Essie. So yeah, it is a beautiful blue. So yeah, really nice. Getting ahead of myself then. Forget my head if it wasn't nailed on. So yeah, this is a beautiful holographic silver, and this is in the shade The Heart Desires. Recommended retail price of £11. Show-stopping holographic nails are here for the season, and we're over the moon to introduce you to A England The Heart Desires. Shimmer, glisten and glow to your heart's content in this dazzling silver hue with a dynamic shine. This beautiful nail polish is from the 2018 Burne Jones Pygmalion collection, inspired by spiritual growth and consciousness. So that is it. And the brush on these, if I can get it open, the brush on this is absolutely stunning. When I swatched this, it was 2 strokes, and we had a beautiful thin layer of polish on my swatch. I cannot wait to wear this one. This is absolutely gorgeous. The brush on it is perfect, and the hollow on this, I really hope that my camera can pick it up, but that is the holographic silver. It is just stunning. Move it about so you can, it is just absolutely gorgeous. The holographic on this is so strong. Oh, this is beautiful, and this really does make me want to add more A England polishes to my collection. As I say, this is my first. I have been looking at these polishes for so long, but seeing the price of them, because they are a little bit more pricier than other polishes, I've kind of put myself off But this is so stunning and so beautiful and applied so nicely as well that I'm kind of tempted. I am. I might spoil myself soon, very, very soon, with an order from Nail Polish Direct for a few of these, because these are gorgeous. And then the final nail polish in the box this month is an OPI. We get quite a few of these. This is in the shade Kanpai OPI. And it's a beautiful like periwinkle blue. And the recommended retail price for this is £13.50. Take your nails to Tokyo with Kanpai OPI, taken from the brand new 2019 Tokyo Spring Collection. So this is a current spring collection. This is like only been released within the month or two. So, you know, that's why I love this subscription box so much. This glossy periwinkle dries to a subtle but distinguishable blue hue that is at the forefront of spring 2019 nail trends this season. Inspired by the tradition, fashion and the scenery that Tokyo has to offer, enjoy flawlessly modern nails in a creamy formula. So it's absolutely stunning, really, really beautiful. I'm sure you know what an OPI brush looks like, but I will show you anyway. So it is long, but it is quite flat. So pretty good brush on these. An absolutely stunning formula, and the colour on this is so gorgeous. Let me get my swatch wheel. I've had to put it on a separate swatch wheel because I ran out on the other one, and that is the periwinkle blue, which is Kanpai OPI, and that is from the latest collection from OPI, from the spring collection. So I am so happy with this month's box. Apart from the Essie spray, which I will use this, but I wouldn't repurchase this. Once it's gone, it's gone. I won't be thinking about repurchasing this. But the four polishes, the Zoya, beautiful, stunning colour. The England, absolutely gorgeous silver holographic. The Essie in the beautiful blue. And then the OPI in the periwinkle blue. All of these colours absolutely shout spring to me. The people at Mani and Lola have definitely picked some gorgeous spring colours here. I cannot wait to get these on my nails. They're absolutely stunning. My husband absolutely loves the Essie because his favourite colour is blue. And this is like his favourite type of blue as well. I'm really looking forward to putting the England holographic silver on my nails and possibly pairing it with a periwinkle. I think that would look stunning. So yeah, really, really happy with those. So yeah, I'm absolutely in love with my box this month and quite happy to continue on with my subscription. So yeah, if you want to look forward to next month's box opening, then do click to subscribe. And threw myself off completely because I have a spiel. So let's do the spiel. I didn't realise I had one until just then. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you'll be notified when my next video goes up. And I will see you in that next video. I feel better now. Thanks. Bye.